Yes, you're right. Return or APR from earned product stablecoin, especially in USDT or USDC, now peaking high to 20% or maybe more. Demand of USDT and USDC now is very high due to increase in crypto asset price, thus allow exchange to give high APR from their earned product. In this video, I will compare APR from 5 top exchanges, especially for their flexible earned product. Hi, my name is Tommy Yu and welcome to my channel. This channel is created to help you to learn about trading and investing in stock, forex and crypto for free. So please consider to subscribe. Okay, without further ado, let's dive right into it. So in today's video, we are going to search for the highest APR in USDT or USDC staking. It can reach up to 20% or maybe more. But before that, please note that we are not a financial advisor. Every content in this channel is for educational purposes only, so please do your own research. First, we want to learn about the difference between fiat and crypto. I'm going to make it very brief. I believe you guys already know much about it. We'll learn a little bit about terminology. Now, what is staking or earn? It is basically in fiat world is fixed deposit. So you'll give fund to exchange, so-called to stake, and in return, you'll get reward. This reward then called APR or annual percentage of return. Now, USDT stands for USD Tether. It is issued by Tether Limited. It's a stable coin which is value or price pegged to 1-to-1 to fiat US dollar. And the same principle applies for USDC, which is also a stable coin issued by Circle. Now let's go deeper into the comparison between the two. The APR in fixed deposit USD fiat is somewhere between 1 to 4% in most countries. And in crypto, we will find a whopping 5 to 20% in APR. Now this 5 to 20% is for earned flexible product. It means that it can be redeemed anytime without penalty. Secondly, it's about the period. In fiat, usually it's locked for 1, 3, 6 or 12 months, but in crypto, you can choose between flexible or fixed. Flexible means there's no lockup period, or fixed, which can give you a higher APR, but there is a certain period of lockup, usually several days between 3, 7, 30 days until 3 months. Next is minimal fund to stake. In fiat, it's usually range between 1K to probably 10K minimum, and in crypto, you can just start for just 1 USDT. And the last thing is the reward in fiat fixed deposit is usually monthly, but in crypto, it is distributed daily. Well, to search for highest APR, I'll compare from the 5 biggest exchange. Now, on this screen, I use the coinmarketcap.com. From this menu, you can click exchange and click derivatives. And we can find there are 5 biggest exchanges. And those are Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, and BitGet. As of this video is recorded, which is 2 January of 2024, the comparison is as follows. For Binance, first tier is 7% and second tier is 14% as bonus. And Bybit first tier is 15 and 5%. And OKX has the highest APR. First tier is between 10 to 20% and the second tier is also from 10 to 20%, but sometimes higher. But these are dynamics and fluctuate all the time. BitGet is slightly lower, 8, 2.2, and the third tier is 1.5%. And KuCoin is 4.8% flat. This tiering system is as follows as of 2 January 2024. Tier 1 starts from the first 500 and Tier 2 is above 500, as well as Bybit. And OKX starts from 1000 and BitGet has tiering as follows. And for KuCoin has no tiering or flat. For best practices, you can diversify your investment to several exchanges simultaneously, which gives you highest APR, which I may say on these 3 exchanges. You can open account in these exchanges through link provided in the description below. There is a 10% cashback commissions for every transaction you make. I'll give you an example. If you have fund, let's say 500 or below to stake at Bybit, because Bybit gives you highest return. If you have 1000, let's say, you can stake your fund to Bybit 500 and OKX 500. And after 5K, you can split between Bybit for 500, OKX for 1000, and the rest 3.5K to Binance. Now, this APR might change and fluctuate all the time, but I hope you got the idea on how to create your staking portfolio between exchanges to give you the highest return. So how to do it step by step? I'll show you how. I simply install all the apps and compare it manually. But now I give you example for the exchange which give you the highest return, which is OKX. Now look at the top left corner. You will find the menu and find Simple Earn. Check for stablecoin USDT or USDC. For USDT tier 1 is 10% for the first 1,000, and for tier 2 is 5% for the next 1,000 or above. But the return is fluctuates, sometimes higher or lower, depends on the supply and demand. So how to subscribe? Simply just key in the amount you want to stake, for example 500, and just click subscribe. Now let's take a look at the USDC. For tier 1 is 37%. Wow, for the first 1,000. And for tier 2 is also 37% for the next 1,000 or above. Okay, now I'll show you another example in Bybit. You can tap this More menu and find Bybit Earn. Tap Flexible Saving USDT. Now we can see here for USDT tier 1 is 15% for the first 500. And for tier 2 is 5.2% for the above 500. There you go guys, the comparison of APR from 5 top exchanges, and I hope this video can help you to grow your asset through staking in stablecoin. Thanks all, my name is Tommy Yu and have a great trading day, and I'll see you next time on my next video.